Hi guys, today we will discuss about the abstraction. Abstraction basically, it shows the functionality and hide the implementation. Okay, let me tell you an example. Whenever you go to the ATM, okay, what you see there? There are some options like it asks for the ATM pin. Okay, whenever you enter your pin and it's authorized, okay, and basically it's check it's a valid pin or not pin, not a valid pin. Okay. Okay, what's happening inside the system, you never know. Okay, how it's validating, you don't have any idea. So this is all about abstraction, and we can achieve it using abstract class and interfaces. When should we use abstract class and interface? I'll tell you later when when I'll show you an example for abstract class and interface. Okay, let me create a class. Okay, first I'll create an abstract class, uh, user detail, user details. Okay, first thing you just need to uh, keep in mind something about abstract class. If I have to make an abstract class, then I need to use abstract keyword for the class. Okay, abstract class. It's not mandatory. Abstract class should have an abstract method. Could not have an abstract method or it could have an abstract method. If I'm creating an abstract method, then what I have to do? I have to use abstract keyword. Okay. In case of abstract keyword, it will not have a body of this method. Okay, and it can also have some, I would say, method have a body. Like sys okay. Mm, why I'm taking this method shape? Let me tell you later. I'll create two class like employee class. This will extend this user detail. Okay. If I make any method as a abstract, okay, an abstract class, then it's mandatory to override that method in a subclass. Okay? And any method that is not abstract, that's don't require to be override. Okay, okay. Let me also create another class. Okay, I'll create one more method here. Why we use abstract class and interfaces? Uh, suppose you know we have to save and update the record of employee, and also we have to save and update the record of manager. Not only a one developer works in a team. There could be a 10 to 15 employee works on a product, any product, I would say, in a project. Okay, and they have to perform. the same functionality, but there could be a different implementation. Like in case of manager, they have to save the manager details. In case of employee, they have to save the details of employee. But what they are ultimately doing, just save and update. Okay, so I'm just writing here this out, save employee. Okay, and real-time application, you have to add the data in an entity, then you have to call the method to save the record in database. Okay, update employee, update save manager, and save employee. Now I'll create a client class. Client. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Public static void yeah. Yeah. To call these methods, we have to create an object of employee and manager. To call the method of a manager, we have to create an object of manager. To call the method of employee, we need to create an object of employee. Okay. So let me create an object of new employee user details. Mm, and I'll create an exam object of manager. So here I'm writing employee detail and here manager detail. I'll call it save method. Sorry, save method of employee, update method of manager. Yeah, let's check. So what? Yeah, save employee and update manager. So client don't have an implementation knowledge. What's going on behind it? So what it doing? This is just calling this method, calling this update method, and inside save what developers has written. What developers has made logic. Clients don't have any idea. Okay, if and this can also achieve it, with the interface also. But in case of interface, we could not have concrete methods. Like we could not have this method. So we create an interface. Here, here, and sorry, we have to create an interface. Okay, interface can have only abstract method. Okay, but Interface has only abstract method, but from one Java 1.8 it could have also in a concrete methods also. So uh, till Java 1.7 uh, has only abstract method. Okay, I'm creating the same method that I have already create here. Okay. Also, we don't need to define here abstract keyword. So it's a by default abstract. We remove this. This is by default also public, but you should declare public, as I always declare public, because it's best practices. Uh, Let me use this elements. Yeah, implement this one. You have to do. You have to change here. Now this will also perform the same task. Okay, interviewer will ask you when should you use an interface, when should you use abstract classes. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Okay, suppose I have a class like an employee class. Okay, currently if I extend this class, use a detail class. As of now, I developed this class. Okay, and everything is going fine. So, and after 6 months or after 1 year, there could be a chance that we need to extend another class also for the requirement of a client. But as you know, we have already extend user detail class, and also Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, so we cannot extend a second class. So we can only extend a one class. Let me create in one more class that is abstract. Will clear user detail in any class like A. We make this class in. Okay, I'll use here. Okay, this was the case. Before 6 months, this class was developed by someone. Now, after 6 months, there is another requirement. Okay, that you have to extend class A. So in case of this, so it's not possible. It will give you an exception. So, no, Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. So you can only extend a one class at a time. But in case of interface, you can implement multiple interfaces. So when you are sure the requirement will not be changed in future, then you can use abstract classes. Okay, when we are not sure, then you should use an interface. So most of the developer, I would say, and 99 cases, we use an interface. This is the only one reason why we use an interface. Okay, I hope clear your each doubt in case of interface abstract classes. Yeah, that's all. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.